Hey guys, I miss y'all so much. Wish I was at school. So sorry I can't be there. I'm still waiting on my test results. I'm finally starting to feel a little bit better, so hopefully, if they're negative, I will be back tomorrow. So, we're going to do a little bit of review over quadratics and solving quadratics. So, read this question here and see if you can figure out the answers. Okay, the blank is the line that passes through the blank. That's going to be the axis of symmetry, or we can also call it the line of symmetry. And it passes through the vertex, or sometimes we say it passes through the maximum or minimum. And then we can say it splits the what? It splits the parabola, or maybe our quadratic graph, and that would be in half or in two. Okay, so the axis of symmetry is the line that passes through the vertex and splits the parabola in half. All right, so let's do our second one. What is the equation for the axis of symmetry? Let's try it for both of these. So the equation for the axis of symmetry in these two examples here. So in A, it looks like we have standard form, f of x equals x squared plus 3x minus 1. So the axis of symmetry is going to be x equals negative b over 2a, which would be a negative 3 over 2 times 1, which means the axis of symmetry for this equation is negative 3 over 2. Still got a little bit of a cough. In this one, it's a graph. We know from this question up here that the axis of symmetry passes through the vertex. We can see that the vertex is 3, negative 5. So our axis of symmetry here is 3. And y'all should have caught it. Say no, Miss Mullins. It's x equals 3. Because it asks for the equation for the axis of symmetry. So the equation needs an equal sign. X equals 3. All right, so a rocket was launched and its path can be modeled by the equation h of t equals negative t minus 3 squared plus 25. What is the maximum height of the rocket? Oh, what is the maximum height it will reach? Well, we know the maximum height or minimum height will always happen at the vertex. And it just so happens conveniently that this function is in vertex form. So it looks like it's going to happen at the vertex, which is 325. This doesn't really answer our question. We want to know what the maximum height is. H of t tells you the height. So t is in seconds. So it's going to be h of 3 equals 25. Can you decipher what this means? You should be able to say this means that the height after 3 seconds is 25 feet or whatever the units are being used here.